Hi everyone, Chef John with Monogram Appliances. Today I'm with our 5-in-1 speed oven with Advantium Cooking Technology. And with that, I'm going to bring you my Spanish stuffed peppers. This dish is so comforting, so delicious. You can eat it during any season, all year round. So let's get started by mixing everything together. You can follow the recipe along at the bottom or in the notes section. But we're going to start with Spanish rice. I've just cooked it off. Season it up with my own blackening or Down Island dust seasoning. Use any taco seasoning that you'd like. All will work. Or you can find my recipe for my Down Island dust. I highly suggest that. We got the cheese. We've got the cilantro in there. Of course, a little bit of tomato. And now all we need to do with that ground turkey in there, already cooked off, of course, give that a nice mix and just incorporate it all together. Next, got some peppers. I've just cut them in half and cut the insides out. I'm going to use my portion scoop here just to make life a little neater, a little easier, and a little more effective for packing all that goodness inside our pepper. So go ahead and repeat that process with the 4 remaining peppers, and we'll get these into the oven. Okay, now that we have all of our peppers stuffed, we're ready to start the precision cooking process. And with the 5-in-1 oven, we get 175 pre-programmed recipes. And of course, one of them happens to be stuffed peppers. So go ahead, open your 5-in-1 oven door, put that glass baking dish directly into the oven. Close the door, and then select precision cooking. From that screen, select fresh. Next, we want to go to vegetables, and then stuffed. Peppers, 6 peppers, and then it prompts us to use the metal tray, so I know that is in there. Gives us the readout of the upper, lower, microwave, and convection reading, so I'll hit start. The difference on this recipe is I'm going to make a slight adjustment for my specific taste, and that's going to happen by hitting the power button, and we actually want to bring that upper heater all the way to 70%. Once you've done that, press set, and it'll continue to cook. All right, so these stuffed peppers are just about finished. They're looking absolutely delicious. They're gonna be so good once they come out of the oven. 10 seconds left. I can't wait any longer. In we go. My gosh. Perfectly roasted. In a matter of 15 minutes, dinner is gonna be good tonight.